What's up everybody, it's that guy Skimpy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to airbrush a largemouth bass pattern on a chatterbait. I was showing this bait the other day on how to make it and stuff, and someone noticed the paint job and they asked me if I can show them how to paint it. It's pretty simple. I just got into airbrushing, so I'm not the greatest, but it came out pretty good. So let's get a close-up of it and then we'll start the show. Okay, so there it is, a largemouth pattern. It's basically green on top, white in the middle, green on the bottom, black stripe down it. Pretty simple, but it's pretty cool. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so here's just the three colors. It's a watermelon, a black, and white. So I'm gonna do a base coat with white, then I'm gonna spray the top and the bottom with the watermelon, and then I'm gonna put the black stripe in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna start with the base coat of white. Alright, I think I got everything. Just making sure I got it all. Okay, so now for the watermelon on top. I'm also going to spray the bottom a little bit as well. Just going to do it light though. I don't want it dark like on the top. Just a little bit. There we go. So that's what it looks like so far. Sorry, this is my first time videoing airbrushing, so I wasn't sure exactly where to set the camera. So anyways, what I'm going to do next is I made these little stencils. I just took, what is it called? Transparency film. And then you can use either a razor blade or a vinyl cutter or whatever. But anyways, man, I just made these little stencils so then I can put it, you know, right up to the bait, and then we can get some lines on it. So that's what we're gonna do next. Okay, just want to get it good. So I'm just gonna hold it on there, kind of like right in the middle here. Just makes a little line. Turn it around. We're gonna do it on the other side. Right in the middle. Just like that. Okay, so now it's time to put on the eyes here. So I just stick the eyes on to how I like them. There's the eyes. Now it's time to seal it. This is what I seal it with. CS Coatings Seal Coat. And what you do is you just brush it on with a paintbrush. So let's do that. Okay. So I just dip it in and I lightly just cover it all around it. And a lot, or a little goes a long way, especially with just on these little jigs here. And I'm just making sure everything's coated, especially around the eyes, because I want those eyes to seal. I'm just putting tiny bit on the brush, just barely putting it on. Alright, so that's it. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll get some other close-ups. Okay, so there it is. It's just about dry now. So yeah, that's how I do my largemouth pattern. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's the largemouth pattern. It's not super detailed, but you know, it works for me. Like I mentioned, you know, I'm just getting into this airbrushing thing. I got a buddy, Uncle Shorty. He's really great at airbrushing, and man, I keep on bothering him, asking him how to do this and how to do this and stuff. So shout out to Uncle Shorty, man, for helping me out. And like I said, there's not a lot of detail, but you know, it's so small, so you know, it's hard to get, you know, a lot of detail in there. But you know, like I said, Uncle Shorty, he does a lot of detail in his. But yeah, that's how I do it, and it makes a great chatterbait. I mentioned before on the other video, you know, here's the chatterbait, you know, with the blade and stuff on there. And I actually used this on a tournament I did last weekend at actually 2 weeks ago now at Silver Lake. And man, this right here, this exact one, man, helped me take second place. So yeah, man, I really like it. And yeah, so all right guys, there you have it. Largemouth bass pattern, airbrushed chatterbait. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you learned something. All right guys, that guy Skimpy, please subscribe.